Hi everyone, my name is Kiran Musanad and I am an application engineer for Micrographics. Today we're going to have a look at changing or setting up your automatic save file location, how to set up creating backup saves, and that would be something that's called a BAK file. Now, one of the reasons why we would like to create a backup file, if you accidentally delete your DWG file or someone else deletes your DWG file and you don't always have the time to go and redraw it. Now, when something gets deleted accidentally, you know this can cause quite a little bit of chaos in the office because, like I said, you might be on a deadline, you spend the last 2 days on the drawing, and now someone accidentally deleted the file or you accidentally deleted the file. Now, I'm quickly going to give you a small tip and trick how to set up a backup file, because you can create a DWG file from your backup file. You'll notice I've just got a normal drawing that I have created, nothing special. When we go to our file and options, in our file location, it's the first place that we're going to have a look at. You'll notice in your file tab, we've got something that we call the automatic save file location. When we open that, that tells you where your automatic save file locations are. If I double click on it, this will open up and you can set up the destination where you would like your automatic save files and your backup files to be stored. I'm just going to leave mine as is. And one of the next tabs we're going to have a look at is the Open and Save tab. Here you can also set what standard you want your drawings to save as, like the previous ones. But the one we're going to look at is setting up automatic save. This tells me I will be notified every 10 minutes between saves because there's an automatic save that will take place. And you can create a backup copy with each save. Now that's something that's quite important. Now that would be the .BAK file. Now the backup file is quite important, especially because in some instances it can happen that a drawing disappears or has been deleted, and you can always use the backup file and convert it to a drawing file so that you don't lose your drawing. Now mine is set up. I'm just going to press save. Now my drawing has been saved. I'm going to close that drawing and now I'm going to delete it. You'll notice there's the .BAK file I was talking about. So now in this instance, let's say I'm going to delete the constraints drawing file. And now we can go and have a look at our recycle bin. I'm just moving mine over so that you guys can have a look. Now, sometimes you might be lucky and you can just open your recycle bin and you can right click on it and say restore. But sometimes it does happen that you might have set up your recycle bin or specific file types to delete permanently, so you won't be able to find it in your recycle bin. Because I've set up the file location, I already know where this drawing is. Now I can right click on it, I can say show more options, and rename it. All I'm going to do is delete the BAK and leave it as .dwg. So I'm renaming it as a DWG file. It's going to ask me if you change a file name extension, the file might become unusable. Are you sure? I'm sure I want to rename it. As you can see, it's already converted to a DWG file. I can go to AutoCAD and I can go to open. That would be the file type. I'm just going to open it, and voila, the drawing is open, and I'm going to save it again. And if I look at the file location, it created another copy of the backup, for instance if this happens again. So this is a quick small tutorial and on tips and tricks on how you can create a backup file and how you can rename that backup file and create a DWG file format that you'll be able to open in AutoCAD. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe for more.